Okay, so the weather sucks outside for fishing, so let's go on out back and work on the boat and get a little bit of maintenance done. That right there is a river that we fish on, leads out to Tampa Bay. So let's walk around back and go to the boat. Yeah, I know. I forgot image stabilization. Sorry about the shakiness. Ooh, feel that wind. Okay, today's project is going to be this Igloo cooler seat. The hinges are broken. And then somebody took a silly ass hinge and screwed it on. We're going to get rid of that because it cut my leg already. Alright. What we're going to be replacing the hinges with is this cooler parts kit. Found it on Amazon. It was $10 or $11. So I'm going to go inside the barn here and it's not barn, it's a shed. I'm going to go in the shed here, get out my screwdriver, and we'll see how this kit works out on this cooler. Alright, let's get these parts out of this package and see how they look and match them up. See if they have the same spacing as the screw holes on the originals. Oh, I hate opening packages like this, but at least it's not that hard plastic stuff that you can't ever get open. And I'm not going to be using these. I don't care. They're fine. Alright, these screws are being a little bit of a pain in the butt. Come on! All but one last one. There we go. Okay, now, opening the packaging, there is one thing that I noticed. These little gozintas, the male part, it goes into here. Well, the screw holes match up, but this is not included. If these are broken, they are not included in the package. Those pieces right there. Alright, let me get my screw gun and we'll check out this, see how it works. The screw holes, they're not poked through. All good things made in China, right? There we go. This little round piece was stuck on the back side here. It's hard to explain, hard to see. It's stuck in here. But I think it's supposed to be on the front. I'm going to try it out. Let's see what happens. Or is that the piece? Is that the new goes into? Oh, I think I get it. That's the new goes into. Screw will go on the front here. Let's try it out. Let's take this old piece off of here. Come on. Like I said, you're going to learn with us. We'll figure this all out together. I'm not embarrassed to show you my mistakes. Grab one of the new screws. I'm going to put that piece back in there. I think that's what this is all about. There we go. Screw you right in there. Yep, that's what it was. That's the new piece. For the one that I said wasn't in there, it is. There we go. Alright, that's one side done. I'm not going to bore you with the other side, but I will show you the back side when we get to the other hinges. The real hinges, not the clamps. Alright, I'm going to try to clarify that a little bit with what this was all about. This is how it came. The piece was in the back. I misunderstood. I thought this was just a cover that was going to go on the front here. It's not. That's the actual piece. That piece in the middle here is to replace this piece right here. I hope you can all see it. This thing right here. So we take these two screws out. That's garbage. You put a screw in the middle here, and it screws right inside where that was. Alright, I hope that cleared it up a little bit. Alright, those two are fixed. That works. So far, so good. Now we're on the other side. We're going to replace the two hinges here. I have to get rid of this stainless steel hinge here. It's not really stainless steel. Looks like a piece of crap. All I did was I flipped the cooler around in the holder to make it easier for me. Now we'll get going on this side and see how it works. Yeah, that looks like crap, but I really don't care. We just use this for storage and for sitting on. It's so shot on the inside, I wouldn't put ice or food or fish in here anyway. So now we're going to take off this hinge and the hinge over here that you can't see in the field of view of the camera, but it's right here. We'll be right back. I'm going to get these off. Okay, both sides are off. And try to find the new ones. Here they are. This is what the new one looks like. It's all plastic. Don't know how long it's going to last with opening and closing. But for $10 on Amazon, and we got 1, 2. For some reason, they sent 4. I don't know if it's for extra size coolers, oversized coolers, but this one only needs 2, so we have 2 spares. Good deal as far as I'm concerned. Let's put them on. Might as well use the new screws. Alright, they're in. Let's check it out. 2 hinges on the back replaced. 2 clamps on the front replaced. Good as new. $10, Amazon. Well worth it.